Natural and home remedies for snoring. Snoring is a very common problem. Snoring happens when relaxed structures in the throat vibrate and start making noise. It is often considered as sleep disorder, and heavy snoring can have serious medical and social consequences. So, if you have the habit of snoring, you need to take necessary steps to combat the problem. Remember that everyone needs their rest, and with snoring your night simply cannot be as restful and peaceful. Numerous products are available to treat snoring, but most of them haven't been proven effective. There is no miracle cure for snoring, but certainly lifestyle changes and easy home remedies can be a big help in controlling it. Peppermint. The anti-inflammatory property in peppermint helps reduce the swelling of the membranes in the lining of the throat and nostrils, thus promoting easy and smooth breathing. Peppermint remedies work well for temporary snoring due to an allergy, a cold or drier. Add 1 or 2 drops of peppermint oil to a glass of water. Gargle with it before going to bed. Make sure not to swallow the solution. Do this daily until you get the desired result. If drier and congestion are causing your snoring, add a few drops of peppermint oil. You can also use eucalyptus oil, to humidify about 30 minutes before you go to bed and turn it on. Run the humidifier overnight. This will help open up your airways so you don't snore. You can also rub a little peppermint oil into the lower portions of each side of your nose before going to bed. Olive oil. Being a strong anti-inflammatory agent, olive oil assists the tissues all along the respiratory passages, reducing the swelling to provide a clear passage for air. It can also reduce soreness. Use this remedy regularly to also lessen the vibrations in the throat and stop snoring. Take 2 or 3 sips of olive oil before going to bed daily. Combine 1/2 teaspoon each of olive oil and honey. Consume it daily before going to bed. STEM. Nasal congestion is one of the main reasons behind snoring. One of the best solutions for reducing congestion is to inhale STEM. Pour hot boiling water in a large bowl. Add 3 or 4 drops of eucalyptus essential oil or tea tree essential oil. Hold that well over your head and inhale the STEM deeply through your nose for 10 minutes. Follow this remedy daily before going to bed until your congestion clears. Clarified butter. Clarified butter, also known as ghee, has certain medicinal properties that can help open a blocked nasal passages. This in turn will help you snore less and sleep better. Slightly warm a small amount of clarified butter in a microwave. Use a dropper to put 2 or 3 drops of lukewarm clarified butter in a nostril. Do this daily before going to bed and again after waking up the next morning. Cardamom. Cardamom is an expectorant and decongestant, making it effective for opening up blocked nasal passages. Freer passage will result in less snoring. Add 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder to a glass of warm water. Drink it 30 minutes before going to bed. Do this daily to gradually reduce your snoring. Turmeric. Being a powerful antiseptic and antibiotic agent, turmeric can treat inflammation and help reduce heavy snoring. Turmeric should be used with milk to treat snoring. The following drink will help you breathe freely while you sleep and also boost your immune system. Add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder to a glass of warm milk. Drink it 30 minutes before going to sleep. Do this daily. Nettle. If you only snore at a particular time of the year, it may be due to some kind of seasonal allergy causing the nasal passages to get inflamed. This type of temporary snoring can be treated with nettle that has anti-inflammatory as well as antihistamine properties. Add 1 tablespoon of dried nettle leaves to 1 cup of boiling water. Allow it to steep for 5 minutes, and then strain it. Drink the warm tea just before bedtime. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of nettle leaf tea daily during the allergy season can prevent snoring. Garlic helps reduce mucus build-up in the nasal passages as well as inflammation in the respiratory system. So, if you snore due to sinus blockage, garlic can give you relief. Chewon one tot or raw garlic cloves and then drink a glass of water. That is daily, preferably before bedtime to enjoy sound sleep and reduce snoring. Also use garlic while cooking your dinner and add your food while it is hot. Honey. Another option for snorers is honey. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, honey can reduce the swelling around the throat area that can obstruct the airways. Plus, honey lubricates the throat, which prevents the snoring vibrations from occurring. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey in a glass of warm water and drink it before bedtime. Do it daily. Alternatively, you can use honey to sweeten herbal tea that you like to drink after your dinner. Chamomile. Chamomile has well-known anti-inflammatory effects that can help stop snoring. It is also a nerve and muscle relaxant that can ease tense muscles and nerves around the throat and help you sleep better. Add 1 tablespoon of chamomile flowers, or 1 chamomile tea bag, to 1 cup of water. Boil it for about 15 minutes. Strain it and add 1 teaspoon of honey. Drink the warm tea before going to bed. If you're overweight, lose weight. People who are overweight have extra tissues in the throat that contribute to snoring. Sleep on your side rather than your back. When you sleep on your back, your tongue and soft palate rest against the back of your throat, blocking the airway and resulting in snoring. Raise the head of your bed by about 4 inches or use extra pillows to prevent the tissues in your throat from falling into your air passages. Use nasal strips to help you breathe as easily as you sleep. Avoid drinking alcoholic beverages at least 2 hours before bedtime. Alcohol can depress your central nervous system, causing snoring. Try singing before going to bed. Singing helps improve muscle control of the soft palate and upper throat. Cut or cut down on smoking as it can irritate the lining of the nasal cavity and throat, causing swelling and ultimately snoring. By incorporating these preventive measures along with any of the remedies above, you'll be able to reduce or eliminate snoring and get a good night's sleep.